installed Pioneer DMH-A241BT model in Volkswagen Golf MK5 2007 year. This is a budget model of the brand Pioneer, but you have cool things with USB cable. When you connect your smartphone and install WebLink application on your smartphone, you can use Waze navigation, YouTube applications, with music and videos directly on the Pioneer display. I will make a fast setup and quick review of that model. You have different backgrounds, you can switch it. Okay. Let's make a clock settings, but you need to go in settings, date and time. Today is 12th of December 2023. It's almost 2:30. 26. Okay. We have a Bluetooth audio, WebLink, phone functions, playing music and videos from USB, iPod functions, and function for rear parking camera. Audio settings, EQ now is powerful, we'll select custom. Okay, and a little bit mid bass. Okay, you also have a bass boost, volume settings for the main volume, talking time volume, Bluetooth audio, TA volume, bass boost, beep tone off. We have also cutoff for the front line. We will make it 35. Okay, that's it from us. If you have any questions, write a comment. I will answer everybody. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.